is called the Dean Michael Petal. This is a very, very popular petal, and it was first shown by Dean Michael Designs. So to do the Dean Michael petal, I'll just move this over so you guys know what we're doing. Again, we have a 10 by 10 piece. We have it curved up this time. And what you're going to do is put it in a diamond shape. Bring this top corner to meet the bottom corner. Okay, and we're going to make sure that our edges are lined up. Now this is frequently done with a poly burlap. Okay, and you want to flatten it out and make sure everything's lined up, because this petal looks best when it looks like one uniform petal. Actually, I have a piece of similar poly burlap. I will use that. It's yellow. So again, I'm going to bring this down. Okay. Matched it up. The edges are nice and matched. You can flatten it out. Okay. And what you're going to do now is when I do this petal, I like to start in the middle and scrunch this way, and then from the middle scrunch this way. So what you're going to do is I scrunch it first in the middle, and the main thing for this one is you want to make sure that this looks like one uniform piece. Okay, and now we're scrunching where the folded edge is. So scrunch, 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 and then we're going to do it the same on the other side. Now there's different ways this can be done, but this is the easiest way. So as you can see, it's a really nice petal. It's one uniform look. Okay, and it's best done with poly burlap. You can do it with other mesh, but the most popular use for it is poly burlap. Now you would take the petal and you put the edge into your zip tie, tighten it, and there you have the Dean Michael petal fold. Okay, see how it looks like one solid piece? It's really pretty. And I can't get this zoomed any closer. Sorry, guys. Okay, that's the Dean Michael.